Guys, in my previous video, when one guy they talk say GMOs are killing Nigerians, that they brought GMO just because they want Nigeria and Africa to be backward. Bro, GMO no start today. GMO started even the time of our forefathers. Now GMO starts. And I bet you where they talk now, if you have eaten egg today, you eat GMO. I don't know whether you get what they talk. If you know say the egg where you they eat now, native fowl they lay that egg. Just write I in the comment section and share the video, because that egg where you eat is a product of GMO, and that egg itself is GMO. So GMO itself does not cause any harm. That is why in my previous video I'm telling you, I said there is a difference between laboratory foods and GMOs. Okay, so in this video now, I promise when I say I will start the break and down gradually the difference between laboratory food and GMO. So first of all, I will first start with laboratory food, because a lot of videos have surfaced online where we see watermelon without seed and you call it GMO. No. Where you see people, allegedly, I once heard that at one time a yam was grown in somewhere in Ghana, allegedly, or I'm not saying Ghana grew such yam, but I heard somebody said so. The yam was grown in Ghana in the laboratory without the soil. Without the soil, the yam grew inside the lab like that. Okay, so those type of food are not GMOs. They are called laboratory food or conventional foods. Now in Singapore, I was also heard that in Singapore there is no place to rear animal, because Singapore is a country that has a small landmark. They don't rear animal, so the meat they eat are laboratory meat. The beef they eat, the chicken meat they eat, the goat meat, the ram, every meat they eat there is a laboratory meat. Okay, now in my previous video I have told you, if you have not followed me, this is the right time to follow me. Follow me now and share this video, so that we will have a mass number of people to listen to what we have to say. This is just an introduction of what we have to say. Remember, in the previous video I said these videos I'm going to be making is merely for educational purpose and not at any standpoint of argument. I don't know whether they get what they talk. So if you have not shared this video up to this very minute, you have to do so. Share this video so that it will reach people widely, then go follow me, and then from there we dive deep into what laboratory foods are, how they come about, and what GMO is and how GMO comes about. Okay, this video not too long, so I'll cut time here, and then I'll post in my next video. I will post what laboratory food is all about.